Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the best action cameras of 2024. If you want to record your exciting moments, finding the right action camera can make a big difference. Let's get started. First up is the GoPro HERO11 Black. This camera impresses with its 5.3K video resolution and can shoot smoothly at 60 FPS. The Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization feature minimizes shaking and delivers smooth images, even during fast movements such as mountain biking. With 23MP photo quality, you can capture your memories in a great way. This model is water-resistant up to 10 meters, making it ideal for water sports. Plus, with the time warp feature, you can take time-lapse shots to make your moments more fun. Thanks to its modular design, you can expand your use by adding extra accessories. If you're an adrenaline junkie and love shooting underwater, you should definitely consider this camera. Our next model is DJI Osmo Action 3. This action camera is a great option, especially for vloggers with its dual screen feature. It can shoot 4K video and offers high-definition slow motion at 120 FPS. Rock-steady stabilization keeps your shots smooth at all times. A long battery life of up to 160 minutes is ideal for long shooting sessions. Waterproof to a depth of 11 meters, it can also accompany your underwater adventures. The user-friendly menu design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. If you're looking for a versatile camera that can be used for both action shooting and vlogging, the Osmo Action 3 is for you. Now let's take a look at the Insta360 ONE X2. This unique camera is capable of shooting 360-degree video, allowing you to capture everything around you. With 5.7K video resolution, you get high-quality images. The flow state stabilization makes your images look smooth and professional. The invisible selfie stick feature makes the stick invisible when shooting, so you can get impressive angles. It also offers a range of creative modes to help users enhance storytelling. Its long battery life and water-resistant design make it a reliable choice for outdoor shooting. If you want to produce creative content and share your adventures from different angles, this camera is a great option. In fourth place is the Sony ZV-1. Although technically a compact camera, it's popular with action enthusiasts for its impressive 4K video quality and fast autofocus. Its 1.0-Type XMOR RS-CMOS sensor and Bionz X image processor deliver great results even in low-light conditions. The stereophonic microphone allows for clear voice recordings. The 3.0-inch rotatable LCD screen lets you see yourself in the shot. In addition, the integrated ND filter ensures a cinematic look even in bright environments. It has a lightweight and easy-to-carry design, making it ideal for traveling. The user-friendly interface makes it a great option even for beginners. If you're looking for high-quality video and a user-friendly interface, consider the ZV-1. Finally, meet the Akaso Brave 7 Lil. It's a budget-friendly option, but it's notable for its 4K video capture and dual displays. It's capable of shooting 20MP photos and is waterproof up to 30 meters. This model offers a variety of shooting modes, boosting your creativity with different options like slow motion and time-lapse. The voice control feature is a great advantage during outdoor activities. Plus, the mobile app allows for easy sharing and quick editing. If you're new to action cameras and looking for a reliable option, Brave 7 Li is a smart choice. And here are the best action cameras of 2024. Each camera has its own unique features and caters to different needs. Don't forget to consider these features when deciding what kind of footage to shoot. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.